Now with our point on the same way, yes? And here what happened now, we want to tell them to say we buck up on the man. We buck up on the man at the moment. And this man is a juice, you know. This man I grew up from school. When we don't have the money, we have 10 cents, we have 20 cents, we have 30 cents. See the boss here? A juice this. Anybody abroad and foreign, but remember the brother, take off your hat and see your face. Original juice. See him there?
They call it jungle.
Jungle from the prospect. See me? Yes, man. When you're thirsty in a point on you, any type of juice you want. See me? You have them all flavor. Pineapple.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Jesus,
Plum
please.
juice.
Plum juice, him have.
I keep all every little thing.
Yes, me I buy for him too.
Yes.
Beetroot.
Massive.
Ginger
See there?
Ginger beer.
These are coming. Alright, the tropical flavor we have now. These are the tropical flavor. The Caribbean twist.
What kind of juice you need, sir?
This call it.
What kind of juice you need?
Come on, brother. Yes, man. This call it tropical twist. Alright, it's easy. You're good. Tropical, and you know, the boss have a customer you know, and you happen now. He want to go on a camera now, so that's my notice. Do you think?
Beetroot, plum juice.
Beet mix with it here.
Oh, you want a mix?
Yes. Yes. See that? That's the tropical twist. It's called a tropical twist.
Real.
Here we go, juicy. See the shape ice there?
Right,
You don't have to thirst to serve this one. You can have this one anytime.
Oi. Tropical twist.
You want a liquor this?
Yes, it's served to order now. Order whatever you want him give you. See that?
Carrot juice, sir.
Carrot juice.
You want a liquor this?
There you go. Liquor what?
You need a
Plum.
straw. That is plum juice, sir.
Beautiful.
You need a straw, sir?
Man.
Jesus Christ, what I do. I do your code, guys.
Yes, that's what it's all about. Business. And it's a jungle. Yes? As we said, we're going to ask him what we're going to have for Christmas, you know, because he must have something different for Christmas. Or something special. So we're going to reach up and we're going to ask him what we're going for Christmas.
Yes. Cat punch.
With
Bus one Kong.
they get it well.
Irish mash and linseed with gum and a bit of ice and glass.
Bass.
There will be soursop juice, lime and ginger.
And
lime and ginger crackers. Lime and ginger kegel, you know.
When you come to Point Tony, when you come in Point Tony, you look for jungle. And this is the man right there, Juicy. The man that grown up in the business, in the juice business. And then wearing masks, see him there? Corona business, you have any mask. Alright? Here we go. And jungle, don't move. You want to ask now, what you having for Christmas, man? Festive season, what's going on for Christmas? Talk to the people.
I have to have some natural.
Look on the camera and tell them, what is it?
I have to have something natural, like
Tell me.
pine and ginger.
Sorry, yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
You are right.
It's Christmas, so it's sorry time. I have to have sorry.
Alright. Here what you going to do now?
They need sorry.
Step aside a little bit, come up.
Yeah.
And take off your mask.
Yeah.
Right? 6 inches apart.
Yeah.
Big up anybody I find. Anybody you want big up.
The brother, my sister,
Yes.
my son,
Yes.
my bro,
Right.
my baby mother Grace,
Yes.
and
Give them the greetings. Give them the greetings.
Linda, Babsy,
Aye.
Beverly,
Aye.
love everybody.
All
Happy
right.
Christmas holiday.
All
I hope
right.
you have a nice Christmas holiday.
Beautiful.
I'm right here in Portland, the natural juice.
Yes.
I left the juice.
Alright.
Yeah.
Customer, tell me what going on. Customer want to know what going on. Talk to me.
Tell what's going on.
Tell me what going on with the tropical
From
twist.
me,
Aye.
I always hear.
Alright.
Good juice.
It's guaranteed.
Healthy.
Beautiful.
You understand?
All right.
So whenever it's summer or it's not summer, anytime this is good for you.
Beautiful.
As soon as
There you
you're
go.
here, the jungle here,
Got the message.
it's a specialist, right?
Got the message. What are you going to have for your Christmas dinner? Tell me. Talk to them.
Well, I don't eat, but I love to catch fish.
Whatever you're going to have.
I
Tell
have my
me.
fish in the refrigerator. I got them from 2 days ago.
Uh-huh.
And I put them in my freezer because I know in this time of the year, the sea's going to get bad again. And I save my fish for Christmas. I have it
Beautiful.
in
So
the
fish,
freezer
this is one fish,
It's going to
man.
be rice
Steam
and beans.
fish.
Fish with the good old sorry juice.
Got you.
That's me.
Yes, man. How may I talk to you? Tell me.
My name is Ramsey.
Big up anybody I find. Big up anybody I
My
find.
family is so big.
Big up anybody. Friends and family.
I can't call names too much. So I'm going to big up everybody in England that I got there.
Beautiful.
In Canada. And also in America.
And big up Pat Batam Kitchen too.
And big up Pat Batam Kitchen. I want big
There you
up my sister who run a restaurant in Connecticut.
Beautiful.
Famous one, son. Now Lee.
Alright.
Right?
Alright.
Big up the family up there.
Beautiful. That's how you think that. Alright. Jungle.
Yeah.
That was your moment, and it's good to see you after so many years.
Yeah.
And it's a blessed moment. Listen, that's your promotion, man.
Yeah.
Whenever the thing come, they're looking for Jungle in Port Antonio.
Anytime.
With all the goodness right here, okay?
Down the road,
Beautiful. Bless up. Bossman, where you, see your man over here in the colours, yeah? What you have for Christmas, man? What's your Christmas menu going to be like? Talk to me.
Jerk chicken, you know what I mean, rice and peas, and,
Yes.
you know what I mean, little goatee soup.
And you have to look for Jungle. You have to look for Jungle now if you
All
get
time, man. Jungle from
already
French
juice.
and this, man.
Alright.
Good
Bless.
Jungle.
Beautiful.
I don't know when you were jungle from boy days.
Alright.
From boy days,
So here we have it from the customer, from the patron.
East, west,
Jungle the man.
right around, you know what I mean?
Alright, yes
Yeah,
sir.
man, you know, see, so
Beautiful.
big respect all the
Alright.
time for jungle, and you know what I mean?
In the street.
That's trying, man, in the street.
In the street of Port
Yeah,
Antonio.
some man
Alright.
do different things, you know, but this way this man try to do, right? Same little juice, do him little thing, and it's a regular man. Everybody in a Port Antonio.
We know. I'm growing up.
Everybody.
I'm growing up. Jungle, big up yourself. And we're out at Pat Batam Kitchen, alright? Listen now, in Port Antonio, we're promoting small business. And listen now, you can't get more small than this and spicier than this. And we're there in the marketplace of Port Antonio. And we can find the big man running us up. Look small, we call him Chicken Man. See him there? And he name One Son. Everybody know him from all over the place. One Son, the old cool dude. See him right there, sir? And guess what happened? One Son depend in business today and he might deal with some chicken. Yes? And One Son, talk to the people because, yo, listen man, you know Mr. Harriet, right? Harriet, right? I said to you, go? You know Harriet? Talk to me. Come in here for a long time, brother. Talk to me, man. Alright. Yes. Yes. There we go. Oi. 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 Alright, there you go. Alright. There you go. Alright. Alright. Here me I say now. Like how we have all this going for today now. What for Christmas? Talk to the people then.
I mean, no, Corona time, so everybody gets paid for Christmas. So, not even no Christmas special, because so now no Christmas.
Alright. But here what happened now? There's something I go on in your yard. Tell me what I go on for the menu.
I'm yard.
Yes, man.
You know, so I just some fish and me, I come to do animal like this.
That's over there. Same way. And what about the juice?
Well, juice is a straight natural thing, you know, because you see might not lack sponge, but a Rasta tradition in art.
Here we say now. Here the next thing then now. Who you want to big up anywhere in the world? Talk to me. Talk to them.
I'm big up the Harvey family, anywhere in the world, Jennifer, Gerald, the whole family, you see me?
There we go. So here you have it from the big man, Mr. Chicken Man. Marketplace, Port Antonio. With our Musgrave. A Musgrave with there?
Yeah.
Right there, so with them. Musgrave market in Port Antonio. And the big man are running him entire thing. Him control the whole entire market. See the man, yeah? But you are in a competition. But he's in the pan top. Our next restaurant's on the back. We're going to talk to them. Alright? Thank you, boss. And that's straight up. Alright? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're still inside Musgrave Market. Okay, and we're going by this country style restaurant. See that? Country style restaurant. And we're going to meet the person in charge of this place. Here we go. Country style restaurant, Port Antonio, we're still at Musgrave Market. So we're going to meet the lady that's in charge of this place here that make everybody happy for lunch and dinner. Alright? And even breakfast if you come around. Alright? So here we go. Hello there, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
And what is your name?
I'm Carrie.
What a smile, Carice. Yes, man. How is the festive season? What's going on in your place?
It's great, it's great.
It's great. It's not too bad because it's all about food, marketplace and food. So you're doing good?
Yeah, man.
Beautiful. It's good to know. What's on your menu today?
Alright, we have fried chicken, baked chicken,
Beautiful.
fried chicken, stewed pork, stewed beef, cow foot, curry chicken, barbecue chicken.
Wow.
A whole variety.
You're chicken out, tell me, man. You're chicken out, tell me. But here, what happened now? Tell the people where you're located. Tell them where I'm going.
Alright, we are at the back of the market.
Which market?
The craft market, the Port Antonio market.
Okay.
Yes, just come exactly at the back of the market where the craft party is. Yes, and you will see us. We have a bar at the back right there, and as you can see, here's the restaurant.
Beautiful, and a beautiful ladies inside. We're not done with this now. So here, what happened now? What's on your menu for Christmas?
Alright, for Christmas, I think we should have, we're going to have soup pork definitely.
Yes.
Fried chicken, butter fried chicken.
Yes, Bobby
maybe
fried.
Curry goats.
Yes.
What else? Another thing, oxtail.
Yes.
So we do baked chicken.
So you're doing the
whole
old,
variety of things.
you're doing the
Vegetables, pasta, everything.
beautiful. So you're doing the Jamaican thing.
Yes.
Beautiful.
As you can see, our name is Country Style. So
Hey.
100% country
So
style.
what about drinking? What are you having for drinking?
Alright, we have a wide variety of brews.
Christmas drink. What's the Christmas drink you have? Oh, she hit the point.
We sell restaurant beers. So you will have a beers.
Big up restaurant, we can hear it. Big up restaurant beer.
Big up restaurant beer.
Alright, cool.
And
Alright.
what else? What we have? We have a whole variety of things.
Beautiful. So here what happened now. There we have it from the lady with all the glory. Alright, and her name is? Caris at Country Style Kitchen. Alright.
Yes.
So here we have it. We are still in Port Antonio, and we, you know, young entrepreneur. This is all one of them again. Alright, we're picking up these folks, right? So that's what we have. Alright, so we're gonna enhance. When you come to Port Antonio, come at Caris Place, Country Style Restaurant. Alright? And we'll see you. Talk to Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Hi.
Big up who you want, big up.
Who want big up? Big up Country Style Restaurant and the whole market.
Big up Pat Bottom Kitchen. Yeah, so that's it.
And Pat Bottom too.
Alright. Alright. Beautiful people, as you don't know, Pat Bottom Kitchen there, we're there at Port Antonio, and we're still there at the Mecca of the jerk, you know, the Mecca of the jerk, and we're on Allen Road. Yes, sir, the place, they want to see it, yes, sir? Yes, sir, at the place where all the happiness happening in Port Antonio. And guess what happened? We're gonna meet the major, we're gonna meet the colonel, we're gonna meet the professor, and we're gonna meet the doctor. And here we go, at the Mondays. We have all the people scrambling. Here we go, right here. The man, at the moment. Talk to the people. How you doing, my brother?
Yeah, man, I'm there, my boss.
Bless up, bless up. Good, man up on the grill.
Yeah.
As usual, as it should be. Guess what?
Good jerk chicken, you know.
Beautiful. The whole of Portland knows yes for the thing there. And what do you think there? Right, that's all. And which part you located? Because everybody want to know. Tell me.
Alright, no, 2 Allen Avenue.
2 Allen Avenue, right on the sea coast, man there. And the man has started the thing. Leave it. Hear what happened. Store your chicken and tell me what I go on right now in Allen Avenue, because see jerk chicken from the grill, boss. Them are the best in Portland.
We have a good jerk chicken and a good festival and a good fried plantain.
Beautiful, beautiful. And so the chef over there said the next man at the moment, see him right there. Okay, doctor. Yes, man. Doctor, want you to talk to me now. What the Christmas gonna be like? Tell me.
We don't know, say. Right now.
Grand Market. Come on, turn up. Talk to me.
We are strap up the Grand Market.
Alright. What the menu gonna be like, man?
Yes, but what we see at that place. I'm like, I say all our people them come from buy them good jerk chicken, you know.
There you go.
So, you know, say I see them jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Festival.
What kind of drinks you have in the box? Because at Christmas, brother. Talk to me, man.
Good natural juice.
Talk to the people. See them and talk to them on the phone and tell. Yes.
We have natural orange juice.
Yes.
We have chocolate gin and
make sure you serve.
And them strong drinks there.
Make sure you serve look rum in there, you know. I say, alright. Alright, here we go now. The man said that's my deal for Christmas, a theme Christmas, jerk chicken my deal with. So here we go on now. Who you want to big up overseas? Talk to me. Anybody?
Right now, you know my mother, Jacqueline,
big up.
sister,
Talk to the people.
yes, my brother, Kevin, father, O'Neil.
Talk to them, man. Alright.
Everybody big up on yourself, and you know, say, I saw they are all extra.
Alright, what's my name?
One love, O'Neil.
O'Neil.
Yeah.
O'Neil, what, tell me the restaurant, what name?
All I was on Facebook,
Beautiful.
Instagram,
Beautiful. Aye. Yeah, and when they come Pat Bottom, what you say?
So,
Pat Bottom, I take it to them. Same street.
right away.
Hey, yo, Anil, listen, are the best. And guess what? He's happy to see you and good to see you. And the chef, are you second?
Yeah,
big up everybody, big up all of the customers, the
Marlon.
support me and all of
Marlon, you make an ask now. Where you gonna have a year yard for Christmas? Tell me.
Well, a beer jerk chicken.
Hey!
No, nothing else but jerk chicken. It's the best taste.
Blessing, man. Blessing. All right. Island Taste.
Big up yourself.
Now you're in Island Taste, Port Antonio Island Taste. Come and see us right on Allen Avenue. It's always here. It's here to stay. So here we go. All right. Thanks again.
Bigger and better.
We talk bigger and better and sweeter. All right. Here we go.